How to reset a Toro Greenkeeper sprinkler controller. You might want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the sprinkler controller is not working, or the sprinkler is not turning on, it's not starting, or it's not spinning properly, things like that. And the second reason is if you just want to wipe programs off without having to redo them manually or anything like that. We can just wipe it all off and get a fresh start. So we have basically two options here. We can do a reset to the permanent program, which will remove any temporary programs or anything like that, and it will still have its permanent program. Or we can clear it completely, which it will remove all programs, and so basically everything will be set to off and it will not turn on at all until you set a new program. But anyways, to restore to the permanent programs, all we need to do is turn the switch off here, and then it should be displayed off, and then we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold the plus and the minus buttons simultaneously for several seconds until CLR appears on the screen, and we can go ahead and release it. Now, if we want to clear the memory completely and go back to absolutely nothing, so it will not turn on at all, we're going to then go to turn it off again, the same way we did it before, and then we are going to hold the plus and the next buttons for several seconds until we get to the CLR0 displayed on the display, at which point we can release the buttons. We can put it on run, and now there will be nothing will happen. It will all be turned off.